Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can hide your location on Snapchat. So select your profile page again, but this time you're going to select settings. Okay, so I basically just scroll down until I'm under privacy controls. Then I'm going to select the see my location, and here I'm going to enable hide my live location. And I'm going to select turn off so my friends can't see my live location. Select OK, and then here I'm just going to enable ghost mode as well, and I'm going to select until turned off. And that is how you can turn off your live location on Snapchat. You can also enable it for certain friends that you trust. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.